bad the roots are in there. But if they're not bad, I wonder if we could pull that tree out and plant it in the dirt over there.
I don't know, do you think I killed it hitting those ones?
I don't know. You know what? It's a lot of work transplanting.
It is. We'll just go get new ones.
If I was ready at that other house and knew where I wanted to landscape it, I'd move them over there. But
yeah, when you do your landscaping, we'll just get new ones for it.
Yeah. Get some that are already kind of mature. I don't think I can get close enough to it. I might have to come over the wall. I'll go around real quick. I'll go around. I'll stretch it over there to John and see if you can push that one in a little. Come down. You got to get up there on the top. I can boom in more. Still hot? Want me to come down, Billy? There you go. Drag that big rock out. Maybe we had to pull. Can you pull those rocks out of there? Oh.
That's it.
Okay, now this is a sad one to see go out. My little 57 Chevy, 4-door, 210. Let me try to turn it. Wow, what a day. Well, there she is. Kind of sad to see that old car come out of there. When I moved here, I never thought I'd ever see it move again. Oh well, off to the next journey. You know what I need to do, Billy, is I was thinking about grabbing maybe I'll grab the Bobcat and move this back my little trailer over there, the white one up here. We'll take all these barrels and all this and put it on here so we can.
Okay. All these doors and
yeah, and
anything
then
we can put on it.
Yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything we could put in something.
We have that aluminum trailer. That one's got sides on it. It's empty.
Yeah, we could probably put all of it in there because it'll probably won't roll out as easy.
Yeah, and then me or John can drag it up.
Looks like Oh yeah, looks a lot different. Such a great umbrella of shade. Like, you know, you wait 14 years to get a good tree and then you got to take it out.
Yeah.
What the frick, man? Well, I guess if we get this tree out of the way, then we can start digging this out and get that car and get the lampshade out. Change the streets in Goodsprings. Let's go put it by the signs over there. Probably gonna grease this f***er tomorrow. Hey, probably ought to start tying that truck down. Maybe we should just start locking everything up.
Okay.
Get that hauled so we got a fresh load tomorrow.
Okay.
And I remember the first time we got here, I didn't have the keys. I shoved fucking cash, I think, through the fucking window, didn't we?
One of us.
Because or one of you guys, I could pull the board. Maybe it was you. Went in and unlocked the door so we could get in it. We didn't have the keys to the place yet. We were coming back from Montana. We weren't gonna wait. We stayed the night here.
Yeah, we did.
I don't think we had power.
No, we didn't. We went to the mattress store and bought 2 mattresses and came home, put them in the fucking living room.
That's right.
And slept on the mattresses on the floor.
Sorry.
Shit.
I don't know why the fuck you had to be born from me. You could have been some fucking billionaire's kid that.
Yeah, but then I'd be a.
True.
I don't care if I have to sleep on the dirt if I have to.
All right, so today we just pretty much got ourselves in a situation where we could get in here and out of here with the backhoes, forklifts, and bobcat. We had to take down some of the wall that it was expensive to put up anyway, but I can't take it with me, you know. It's one thing about a block wall, you can't take it with you. But we got most of the cars out. We got 3 of them out. Bunch of trees. It was sad to take the trees out. Took a long time to grow these trees. It's bittersweet because they actually were really hard on my swimming pool. Those trees made it green all the time and leaves fell in it all the time, but the trees were beautiful. This one right here we just tore out was one of my favorite trees. But we're getting it back down to the way it was when we moved in. Difference is you're what, 27 now?
Almost.
So how old were you when we moved in here? Started doing this?
I don't know, what were we? 13? Something like that.
Probably. Were you that old?
I don't know.
Oh, 2011.
I can't do simple math. I don't know. I'll be 27 this month, and we moved in when I was like 12 or 13.
So, but even at that, it's come a long ways. So it's kind of sad to see everything get tore down and moved around. The pool in the backyard was my oasis. I'd come out right there every morning for 10 years and work out on the porch, right over there. 10 years I did that. I sloughed off this last year because I've been busy moving, but you know, sit out here. This was my piece. Come out here and chill out and, you know, think about stuff and get your head right before you go to work. Some crazy times here. Yeah, it's been wild. But it was fun. It was a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun at this house. I had a lot of fun here.
A lot of good parties too.
Yeah, we had some really good parties here. So we're gonna come back tomorrow, get the gas pump, the other car, the lights, probably all the rest of the stuff we can get out of here. What we're trying to do is get this all broke down to level ground, get all this stuff out of the way so we can get equipment in here and over there so we can pick this building up and put a trailer under it and take it to Goodsprings. So there's a lot of work to be done. I'm hoping by the end of the day tomorrow, all this will be cleaned out and we'll be in a position where we can actually
Get to it.
get in there and get to it and get it up off the ground. I mean, I don't know, we might even be able to load it. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get it loaded and maybe even get it out of here tomorrow night. I don't know.
I'm sleeping in it, so let's get the rest of the house moved
Yeah,
first.
that's true. Chase has been sleeping in it because
We're moving out of the house.
I forgot. The house is tore apart in there, so Chase has been living in there. But yeah, so it might have to stay here for maybe another week or
Hey,
so.
we can move it out there as long as we can plug the AC in.
We could probably get a plug right back in. We need to build a pad for it though.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, what I was thinking is we should take a bunch of these rocks and build up a retainer and then backfill it with the backhoe and just build a nice platform for it to sit on. So we got a load of cars and trucks we're going to get rid of tonight, and then tomorrow we'll be right back at it. So see you tomorrow.